In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Brainstorming. What is this brainstorming, by the way? Brainstorming is a special, unique way of thinking. Edward de Bono is a Canadian working with a multinational, working with the UNO. Edward de Bono is the inventor of lateral thinking. He has introduced lateral thinking to the world. And Edward de Bono is of the view that thinking is a skill like any other skill, and we can learn it, we can develop this skill without even getting the higher education. Without it, has, according to Edward de Bono, this lateral thinking and this creative thinking is a skill, and anybody can learn it. There is no condition attached where the person should be having this sort of education, the person should be intelligent, the person should be having this thing. None of those. It is it is a skill like any other skill, and we can directly learn it. We don't need to getting the education is not bad. I'm not against that. I'm not saying that it is useless, not at all, not at all. But the thinking can be learned directly as well, without any sort of education at all. So Edward de Bono says that do the brainstorming, write and keep writing whatever comes to your mind. Do not filter anything else. Do not filter anything else. Rather, keep thinking, keep writing. Every thought which has come to your mind must be put it onto the paper. I mean, obviously you cannot do the brainstorming for 24 hours a day. You can't do it even 12 hours a day. You can't do it even 6 hours a day. But you should be doing it for an hour or two, and that too not just in one session. Rather, as and when you feel easy, as and when you think that you are free and you can do that. What is the purpose and the utility of this brainstorming? The brainstorming, which means that putting the thoughts we are conceiving on the paper, and even if we do have to put it on paper 100 times, even then it's not bad, even then it's not so extra. So keep writing whatever comes to your mind, keep writing. And this keep writing actually is the brainstorming, and it will take us to the solution of the problem. The brainstorming can take us to the solution of a problem. The brainstorming brings clarity of the issue we are tackling, we are facing. Clarity on the one hand, development on the other hand, progress on the other hand. It can, our conscious mind gives us certain good things once we are working on anything else with a paper and pencil in our hand. And our conscious mind works well. Not only the conscious mind does give us certain developments, certain progresses. Rather, our subconscious start working and keep working in the project as well. We have to keep writing. Our conscious and subconscious mind will keep working. We should be avoiding the strain of on our mind. We shouldn't be pressurizing our mind that I need the solution of the problem at a much earlier stage, or as and when I want so. Rather, we should leave it up to our subconscious mind, as and when our subconscious mind does gives us any solution to the problem. So this brainstorming provides us with a lot of catharsis as well. We are, since we are found anxiety ridden, since we are found anxious. So as far this anxiety is concerned, we can get rid of it quite effectively by doing what? By doing the brainstorming. It is the traditional way of thinking is to keep thinking and to keep thinking, to keep worrying and to keep worrying. While in the brainstorming or in the lateral thinking, or as and when we want our mind and we want our subconscious mind to work well, then we do have to keep ourselves away from the anxiety, away from the stress. We do have to feel relaxed, and this feeling relaxed actually, this relaxed feeling will actually take us toward the solution of the problem, and this solution of the problem will be given and gifted to us by our subconscious mind. The conscious mind will be found making certain developments, but the subconscious mind will do a lot really. The subconscious mind will do a lot actually. So I think that each one of us should try this method. Each one of us should try this method, the method of brainstorming, the method of writing, putting it on paper, whatever comes to our mind. It is actually thinking with a paper and a pencil and not without that. Not the traditional way of thinking, rather the modern way of thinking. This modern way of thinking is actually very effective. The efficacy of this style is really great. I'm not suggesting that we should keep carrying the paper pencil 24 hours a day, that we should keep writing 24 hours a day. We don't need to do that. We don't need to do even 12 hours a day. We don't need to do even 6 hours a day. But as a matter of fact, the more we do it, the better it would be. I mean, at least an hour or two, at least 1 hour in a day should be spent upon this brainstorming, the brainstorming which is meant for reducing, minimizing the anxiety level on the one hand, gaining clarity on the other hand, gaining clarity about the issue, not remaining vague, rather achieving clarity. It will give us the clarity, inshallah, and then our progress will be given to us by our conscious mind. At the same time, the subconscious will be working in the project as well, and will be giving us the solution of this trouble, inshallah. That is how this brainstorming work we must adopt it. Thank you.